Welcome to our guide on the 10 amazing uses of organic olive oil for your hair, body, and skin. Discover how this natural elixir can enhance your beauty routine. First, as a hair conditioner, apply a small amount to damp hair, focusing on the ends to deeply moisturize and add shine. Next, use it as a scalp treatment. Massage warm olive oil into your scalp to stimulate hair growth and combat dandruff. For your skin, olive oil makes an excellent makeup remover. Gently wipe away makeup with a cotton pad soaked in olive oil. Number 4, a luxurious body moisturizer. Apply olive oil to damp skin after showering to lock in moisture. Use olive oil for a soothing massage oil. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties can help relax muscles. Olive oil can also serve as a cuticle oil. Massage a drop into each cuticle to keep them healthy and prevent hangnails. Number 7, a gentle exfoliant. Mix olive oil with sugar or salt for a homemade scrub to remove dead skin cells. Treat dry, cracked heels with an olive oil soak. Soak your feet in warm water with olive oil for soft, smooth skin. Olive oil can minimize wrinkles. Gently pat olive oil around your eyes to reduce the appearance of fine lines. And finally, use olive oil as a shaving cream alternative. It provides a smooth, moisturizing surface for a close shave.